Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel E-Commerce project tutorial. In this video, we will cover products filter by category. So let's see how can we filter products by category. So first of all, on this shop page, here, let's display the categories, okay, and also the product count according to the category. So for that, go to the shop controller. So just go inside the app directory, then http controllers, and let's open the shop controller. And now inside this index function, let's fetch here the category. So after this, just write here $categories and model name category, okay, colon with count. Add here the table name, which is products, and order by name ascending, and then call here the get method, okay. And now let's import this category model. So here, just write here use app/models/category. And now let's pass these categories to the view. So inside this compact method, just write here categories. Alright, now save this. And now go to the shop index view file. So just go inside the resources directory, then views, shop, and let's open the index view file. And inside this file, here, this is the brand filter, okay, and here is the categories filter. So just remove this categories filter, okay, this div, and let's make a copy of this brand filter. So just select this and copy, and after this just paste here. Now let's change here the heading. So just write here categories, okay, and inside this for each, just bind here the all categories. So just write here categories as $category, okay. And now let's copy this, and here for displaying the category name, just write here $category arrow name, and for displaying the product count, write here $category arrow products count. And now inside this checkbox, just change here the name category, okay, and inside this value, just write here $category arrow ID. And now inside this in array function, just change here category arrow ID, okay, and also inside this request category. Alright, now save this. And now let's apply the category filter. So go to the shop controller, and here inside the index function, after this, first of all, just add here the if condition, if $request, and add here the method name field, and inside this just pass here the name category, okay. If category has value, then, and inside this if, first of all, let's extract the IDs from this input category, and after this just write here $query arrow wherein, and inside this wherein just pass here the column name, which is category underscore ID, and then pass this one $category IDs. This is an array of the categories ID. And now it's done. So save this and let's check. So go to the shop page and just refresh the page, and here you can see all the categories. Inside the category 1 there are 4 products, in categories 3 there are 2 products, and inside this chair and table categories there is no any product, okay. If I check this one, this category, you can see here no any product, and uncheck this, and now let's check this one category 3, and you can see here 2 products, okay. If I check this also, you can see here all 6 products, okay. If I uncheck, you can see here 4 products. This video covers adding products filter by category on shop page. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the next parts of this series. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.